Should start rolling, huh? Okay, here you go. Whoops.
My method of composting at the new house. Are you ready? You ready, dear?
No.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oops, that one I missed.
Gotta hit that with the lawnmower to compost it.
Okay, here we go again. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I hit it! Woo! Now that's composting.
Composting in place, huh?
Yes. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Yay. So we moved into this house, and this house has to have a water filtration system. And it was broken before we bought the house, so the old owners were having it fixed. And it was almost 3 weeks before, well, it was 3 weeks before we got it fixed. And I had to use my emergency filtration system, my frugal Berkey, and it worked wonderful. So glad to see that that's been tested and we know that that works. If you want to see how I made it, check out my video up here, and I show you exactly how I made it. So just in case you guys were wondering if it actually worked, here is what the filters looked like, and there is what the water looked like. So it did a very good job of filtering out our water. So glad I have this system. $40 for water filtration system. Definitely worth the money. Okay, Facebook, gotta love it. I was looking for some nightstands and they had this for free, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I think, yep, I think this is what I want. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yay, and they're free. Here, Mom.
No.
Do we need lamps or anything?
I don't think so.
Cute.
I might get those Tupperware things.
Okay. Yay. So there's our deal right there. And I picked up a lamp too. It's kind of cute.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah. Might put a new shade on it. So liking that. Yay, my freebies for the day. Here's today's hauls. I've got more furniture repainting to do. Going to add it to all of this that I have to do. But it's okay. I think I have everything now that I need for the house, so I feel good about it. Cheerios were on sale for $1.88 a box. $1.79 is my go-to stock up price, so I didn't think that was too bad. But look at the back here. Each box has an 80-cent coupon. That makes them $1.08 each. So I'm going to cut all the coupons off like I did that one there, and go to the store and buy 8 more with the coupons, cut those coupons off, go buy 8 more, cut those coupons off, go buy 8 more, cut those coupons off, and see how big of a stockpile I can get to get Cheerios back in stock in our house. Cheerios is our #1 go-to cereal around here. Mike loves it, Jack loves it, everyone loves Cheerios. So when it's on sale, that's what I stock up on. Okay, so people ask me, is it worth all the time? Normally coupons is not worth the time, but this literally just took me 3 minutes, and I can save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can save 8. So I can save about $7 just with 3 minutes worth of work. And I'm going to go do this 2 or 3 times, and then I'll have Cheerios for the next, 6 months or so. Here is my frustration. I came down to stock up on Cheerios and they only have 2. So we're going to ask, because you have to buy 4 to get the sale price. So we may not be able to get them. And they don't do rain checks here. So That stinks, man. Alright, so they had some on top, so she reached up top to get me some. So I was able to get them. Yay. And there's all my coupons. Yay!
You have 2 extremes.
Okay, so I was going to cut the coupons off of these and go get another load, but I think I'm going to wait till the next sale. It was a little bit of an ordeal to get them off the top shelf, so I don't want to do that again. We're going to go check out the farmer's market.
Okay.
Do you think it'll be any good deals?
I don't know if it'll be good deals, but there's like 50 million people here, so
It must be popular.
We drove by about 10 minutes before it opened on the way to a garage sale.
Yep.
And the line was really, really long. So
yep, we'll see. Wow, look at the whole line of cars. My goodness. Okay, so see right there, all the way to right there, that is the line for tomatoes, and they're $3.50 a pound. Oh, have mercy. I never pay more than $1 for fresh fruits and vegetables. Now I know it's a farmer's market and all that, but still, wow. There's the tomato line. Wow. We couldn't figure out what the deal was with the tomatoes, but I think I figured it out. So this is July 31st, and oops, I'm cutting off your head. I'm sorry. This is July 31st, and so this is actually early for tomatoes here. So I think the person had a greenhouse because nobody else has tomatoes, and that's why everybody's so crazy over tomatoes. So
they're nice looking, but
wow. Man, so the farmer's market is not the place to save money. I mean, if you're there to support local farmers, you go right ahead if all your debt is paid off and everything, but, you know.
It's fun walking around.
It's fun walking around, but it is not a way to save money. So, just so you know, don't be sending me hate mail. I know all that, buy local stuff, but it's not a way to save money. All right, I found a bed for Jack. It's free on the corner on Facebook Marketplace. We are going to get it right now, so you don't have to sleep on the floor anymore. Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
So let's go see if we can find it. We got Jack a free bed frame.
Yay.
Yeah, it was free.
Wow.
They're moving, and they didn't want it. And I said, my Jack needs a bed. Houston, we have a problem.
You might have to take this side off.
Can we open up his window and put it through the window?
No. I mean, it's a big deal. If we need to take this side off, it's only 4 Allen screws. Easier than taking off the window. Okay.
I was joking.
I guess we could try it without taking it off. Let's just try.
Let's just try. Here, 1 second.
This hall does not look as wide as some of the others. Perhaps.
Can we get it in there? Houston, we have a problem.
Okay.
Can't fit. Okay, well you can sleep in the hallway, can't you?
Sure.
Hey,
That's what I thought.
Sideways. Yeah.
Can you go out?
Sleep in the hall sideways. We got it in.
Screw missing on this end.
Can you get that? I left the 4 screws on the floor where Mom's standing.
Screws are easy to
And then
do.
I'll need you to bring me the back side of it.
Alrighty, this is great.
We'll also have to tighten
And-
some of these.
Can you grab that so I can stick?
We don't even have to buy a box spring
What?
because it can just lay on the bars. So that's save us money.
Mattress can lay on the bars?
Yeah, why not?
I thought it would damage it.
Why? The weight's evenly distributed.
I thought the box spring was because there's squishy stuff on the sides of this. Maybe not. I mean, let's see.
Okay, so our freebie has
Well, there's 1 screw missing on this end.
right there.
And if he was a 35-pound girl sleeping in this bed, well, 35-pound boy too.
I was gonna say, does gender matter? And does gender really matter in this situation, dear? Are you being genderist?
But since he's nearly an adult size, this might be something we want to make sure we take care of. So,
But that's no big deal. All we have to do is just take out the other screw, take it to Home Depot, and they'll give us the same one.
yeah. It looks like they put that one in slightly crooked too, but it's home.
Okay.
So.
All right. Well, we will make a run to Home Depot. Dad, it just totally wore him out. Bringing it in.
To get back up from screwing that screw in.
It was too much, huh?
It was too much for him, yeah.
Okay, so I got to run to Home Depot to get some stuff, so we will add that to the list.
Okay.
Yay. Why am I waiting?
I need to make it perfect for the video.
You need to make it perfect for the video. Wow, you even made your own bed nice and neat? And it's gray and black and it matches your comforter?
Okay, that's close enough.
Wow. Well, how does it feel to have a bed? Is it snuggly?
Feels solid enough?
Don't think you're going to go collapsing in the middle of the night?
Yeah, I don't think so.
And you were right.
Whoa! Let's get that on camera again.
This time I tell you, you don't have to tell me yourself. Just kidding. Yeah, Tara said something about not needing a box spring, and I was like, are we sure we don't need a box spring for that? Because I guess I didn't understand the purpose of a box spring. So there you go.
How's it feel?
I feel elevated.
You feel elevated?
Sing it. Oh, you can't sing it. Copyright purposes.
What?
You raise.
You raise me up so I don't have to sleep on the floor. You raise me up so I can have a bed. Oh, now it's unmade again.